All right, I just wanted to show you how this was going to work, this Desmos activity. So you should be doing your work on page 70, and you're going to first factor it, follow your flow chart, start at the very top, make sure it's equal to zero, which this one's already equal to zero. Look for a GCF. This does not have a GCF. Here we have three terms with a one in front, so I'm going to SAM factor that. So now on your paper, you can go ahead and SAM factor that. And when I SAM factor it, after writing my paper, I will then type it in to make sure it's correct. So this would be x plus 2 times x plus 1. Again, the order doesn't matter. I could have x plus 1 times x plus 2. It will be the same. But since this is an equation, I want to make sure that I do put equal to 0. If you don't put equal to 0, it's not going to say it's correct because it is an equation. So that is my factored form. X plus 2 times x plus 1 equals 0. Notice the green check came up. And then when I do my zero product property, again, you can keep working on your paper, and I set each factor equal to 0. Once I solve, I would get x equals -2. So the x is already in there, so x equals, just after the one side of the equal sign, I'm going to put -2. Then I'm going to go to the other side of the equal sign, and when I said x plus 1 equal to 0, I would get -1. And again, there it checks out, so I know I did that all correct. So that's your thought process on how to complete those.